Hi, welcome to the course Fundamentals of UX. This course is designed to give you an insight about user experience, otherwise known as UX. The topics covered in this course will provide you the foundation for creating UX designs using a user-centric design approach. Apart from this course will also introduce you to some very important methods and tools to create a great experience for your user. This course is divided into 4 basic parts: research, design, evaluate, deliver. By the end of this course, you would have acquired a systematic approach that will help you design an incredible user experience for any product or service on any device. I'm excited about this course and I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn how to design great experiences with this course, The Fundamentals of UX. Hi, welcome to the Fundamentals of UX Design. I'm Navin Matthew and I'm excited to show you how UX is making the world a better place. First, let's talk about user experience, what it is and why it is important. UX isn't new. Back in 1993, Don Norman came up with the term user experience for his team at Apple. I'll walk you through the process of designing a good user experience that people love, as user experience is about how it behaves, not how it looks. We learn here how to create something that works perfectly great on any device and provides its users an experience that thrills them. Have you ever thought about how there are applications that we simply love to use again and again? But at the same time, have you wondered how there are applications that we just don't want to go back? Well, that's because a good application allows you to interact with the system in an easy and efficient manner without annoying you. On the other hand, sometimes we end up using an application and having a really bad experience with it. In spite of the fact that it has great graphics, you still end up having a poor experience with it. Have you ever wondered why? Answer lies in its design approach. The design approach that the UX designers take. UX is not UI. A great user experience depends on taking a user-centric approach to design. This, in essence, is what you will learn by the end of this course. UX can be applied to almost all kinds of business. Research proves that UX can influence your brand, your customer loyalty, and the amount of new customers that you gain considerably. Hence, it makes sense to take UX very seriously, no matter what business you have. Helps to solve user problems. UX design gives you the opportunity to understand your users in a way that will help you solve their usability problems and elevate the design beyond its look and feel. Makes user experience memorable. UX design goes beyond virtual interaction. Great design should reach people in crucial areas of their lives like communication, e-commerce, banking, or if you just want to capture memorable moments. Make a difference. By using a user-centric approach to design, your focus is more on people and how to improve their lives through technology. What you offer your users can make an impact on their daily lives, which will make your brand unforgettable. A better ROI or a better return on investment. Your conversion rates go up significantly when you have an efficient UX design. Conversion is when your users are turned into paying customers. Now let's look at some factors contributing to a poor user experience. Stressful. When your workflow is poorly designed, it tends to stress your user and your user simply gives up. Boring. When your application is designed in a manner where users begin to lose interest midway, you could end up losing a customer. Confusing. When there's a lot of information or when the navigation is confusing, your user experience is poor. Inefficient. When your application has way too many steps to complete a task or is not efficient enough to finish a task in a timely manner, you lose a customer. Distracting. When a user is overwhelmed with information or data, your user may not achieve what they want. Inconsiderate and frustrating. An inconsiderate moment is like missing the bus by a mere few seconds because it's too early. Of course, that's an analogy. Sometimes you tend to add too many features that you think could be very valuable, but forget to add some very simple tasks. If a product fails to do the simple things or acts in a way that is weird, unexpected, or just plain silly, it could eventually irritate your user and they'll leave your app frustrated. Tedious. When you force your user to perform tasks that are repetitive or ones that require a lot of input from them, your user loses patience and that results in bad user experience. Most people confuse UX with UI. They often think that if a site is looking nice, it will work great. But is that really true? Some sites could have beautiful interfaces, but you still end up having a poor user experience in spite of the good UI. You dislike the site not because of the UI, but because of the poor experiences you've had while navigating on the site. UX design is about what it takes to create a good user experience. And regardless of what device a user has, it should provide an experience that thrills. In other words, the UI is a visible part of any application, but the UX is what really runs the success of the application. There is a lot of science behind the scene, which depends on many principles and guidelines, all of which you will learn in this course.